Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna discuss how to decode the markets, how to read the charts in a right way, sensible way, in a way that actually gives you an edge. So I've wasted a lot of years. I've been a failure ever since I started the retail concepts. Even the SMC concepts as well. So I tried and tried and tried, and it has given me only failure. Only 10 days winning streak gives me a confidence, you know, and then from the 11th day onwards, I'll just wipe out all the profits. I'm not talking about risk management ka issue. That's a whole different level again. So I'm purely talking about technical analysis and like why we do get failed, why markets are not going the way they must go. So why markets don't behave the way they are supposed to behave. Why? Because initially when you come into the markets, all the people will show you these fake trading accounts, the accounts that they show with live cam box here, because here the account ID will be there, so they'll put the face cam you know box here, so it is hidden. Or some people smartly put timer stamp here, or some people just come into the system, come in front of the markets, they'll just do live analysis from morning 9:15 to 3:30. I don't even know, they don't even show you the order book, they don't even show where they are taking the trade, but they're sitting there like a gan or gurus telling you where to buy, where to sell. It doesn't make sense for me, guys, but I don't know how many people are falling trap and you know getting exploited. But that's okay, I'm not getting into. If you are selling a course, if you are offering, if you're putting some kind of product into the market, it should contribute some value to the person who is purchasing it. And yeah, I understand, it depends on the person, it depends on the consumer on how he is going to use the product, but at least you need to have some basic knowledge on how to structure the product, and that comes from actual trading, actual profitability. It doesn't come from अरे हम 4-5 साल रह गया in this profession. So we have not turned out into be a profitable trader. So we'll just use that skill in terms of monetary perspectives. However, nobody is going to bother whether we make money or not. We'll just show the charts. We'll just, if in case we make any sort of money, we'll just post those days. Otherwise, we don't even show. We are not bothered about P&Ls and such other stuff. So it's okay, guys. I'm frustrated a little bit because because of these fake people who don't even understand how market works. I'm not talking about the concepts that I've learned or have been using are far more superior to what they teach. I'm not talking about that. I know people who are making money out of trading very basic concepts, that is support and resistance, trend lines, EMAs, and other stuff. But how many times they work? To me, it didn't suit at all, because they'll tell you to buy on obvious levels, and obvious levels are the most effed up levels. uh, you know but you see, guys, let's get into the actual matters. Let's stop this ranting and all stuff. It doesn't get us anywhere. This keeps going on. So see what market has created here. It has created this huge bearish sentiment, right? So it just gap down and fell down, gap down, open, and it opened, gap down, and just fell down 3 consecutive days. It just has been falling. Why markets didn't go the way from here itself? Why it has to come down, take out the liquidity, and then it has go out? Why? Because if it wanna go, it could go like this only, right? Why again? Or if it wanna reverse, if it wanna retrace, it could retrace to 0.5 level, take some sort of support, and then go from here, right? Why it has come down all the way till here? It has trapped, created a sentiment that I am bearish in the long term. Or the people who trade SMC concept or something, see, there is an imbalance, there is a volume gap, so you might try to go short from here, look out for these levels. I'm generating the liquidity also, come down. The levels I go, the higher I go, the better you need to be understanding that I'll go down only. Like, this is all the sentiment that it has created, right? But why it has taken out the liquidity and has calmly gone up? Why? You need to ask such questions to yourself. What exactly is market creating to you? What exactly is market showing you? So this is an obvious buy trend, right? This is an obvious buy trend, and everybody is who is seeing this, they are ready to what, position themselves. But where is the edge? You'll buy here, you'll buy here. This is the daily chart, guys. This applies the same in the lower time frames as well, but I'm showing you the daily time frame so that it gives a clarity, overall clarity on how we will decode the markets. Like why some people will draw trend lines, how would you know that this is the trend line until unless market has retraced till here and has gone another leg up? You don't even know, right? Now market has come here. Now you think we're seeing this where market has broken the trend line. Now the trend has reversed. Okay, great. Where would you sell? You have no idea. What if market will come till here, fill this volume gap and then fall here? You don't know. So these are the questions that you need to ask yourself. Any concept has its own cons and pros, right? You need to focus on where you are getting the best edge possible. For example, you see there is an imbalance, discounted imbalance, support, demand zone, everything is there. What market did? It has come, it has gone up, it has retraced for a bit, and it has given a decent bull bar. Who is not going long, guys? Who is trying to short here? Nobody is trying to short here. Everybody is going long because we have multiple reasons. We have demand here, we have imbalance here. We are creating a double bottoms as well. W structure also. Who is not going long? Everybody is going long. Market up to you up. As simple as that. So it has come down, come down, come down all the way till here. And now you see here, you have another important demand zone, right? So what people try to do, they'll definitely try to long here, and they are waiting for a proper edge. Market has fallen here. It has created a bearish sentiment. It has gone up. Only the freshers would try to position themselves in this first leg up, and it has retraced a bit. Now it has taken out the liquidity also. Now everyone is so convinced that the market will, uh, create a rampage towards the upside. It has gone upside only for 2 days. Now the SMC guys, demand supply guys, what they do? Liquidity sweep, boss or chalk break of structure, change of character, some sorts. They are trying to position in the retracement and they are giving these calls to everyone who want to position themselves. What market did? It has created another huge bearish sentiment. Now who is going to long from here? Who is going to long in this whole leg? Nobody is going. It has created a huge sentiment that I'm bearish, and then market has ramped up with this huge bull bar. Now people are confused whether it will fall, whether it will go to the sideways, or it will just create another leg downside. They don't even know. They are confused, and then again market has gapped up. Now by this time, all the people are thinking that this is a demand zone, right? I'm talking about trend line support resistance concept. Forget trend line resistance concept, guys. I'm talking about SMC. That's the current fad. You know, you know. You see, otherwise, if you draw a trend line something like this, it has created, gone up, come down, and then it has gone up again here. Where is your stop loss? You don't even know where is your stop loss. I am not sure where I could place my stop loss. Okay, maybe people who try to see that if market breaks out this bar, I'll position myself with the stop loss here. And I'm not sure if they have exited with 1:1, it's good for them. Otherwise, I don't even know. And what market is doing with them? It's playing with every other retailer. What actually market wants from you? It wants liquidity. So if it want to punch 1,000 worth of orders into the market, if it want to buy 1,000 worth of orders, somebody has to sell them 1,000 worth of orders. Only if they sell, their orders get filled. Who is going to give them 1,000 worth of or 1,000 crore worth of orders? Someone who has played their stop losses. Where they would place their stop losses? At the obvious places, at the obvious trends. It created a sentiment that I'm gonna go up, so all stop losses are here. It manipulated, and you will be so smart if it just wicks out like this. You will again try to go up, like how it did. It happened with here. It just wicked out and then trying to go up. Right? No, it manipulated, created bearish sentiment that I am still yet to fall. This is a demand zone. Try to short me from here, right? And see here, interestingly, these 3 days. What 3 days has done? Why market didn't go like this? It just has to manipulate you and then go upside. Why? These 3 days have been, these 3 days acted like your demand zone is actually working. Precisely, this is a demand zone because this is the last up candle before the huge fall. So this is the demand zone. Until this huge bar shows up, they are very confident that yes, demand zone is working out, it's playing out. If they held it for another day, they are gone, they are doomed. So 3 days in a range, it has manipulated and then it has gone up. right? Now, what is the sentiment, guys? Till here, what is the sentiment? It's bullish. Who is shorting here? Nobody is shorting. Is there anyone who is trying to think what if market could fall, or this is the reason, this is the perfect place where market would fall? Nobody is thinking. So what market did, see, sideways, 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 sideways. Okay, now what people are trying to do, this is in the top level, this is trying to break out, that's why it's generating, it's going sideways here. You see this breakout. Oh God, yeah, yes, this is the bar I wanna see. Now Nifty will definitely go to 25,000, 26,000, and all. Boom, 35,000 also. See this huge bar. I've seen couple of, to be very honest, guys, I've seen couple of top Indian traders who is telling that market is so bullish upon seeing this bar. Yeah, how much bullish? This much bullish. All your stops are gone. So why is this market behaving uh, like this? Why? You need to question yourself, guys, because this is not how you make money in the markets. Being a profitable trader on consistent basis is not a joke. It's not an easy, it's not as easy as your influencers show you. I was the guy who got scammed like this. I thought the guy who is profitable has something so secret that he is holding up to himself on the other side, but that's not true. Even if you purchase courses also, like, this doesn't work, guys. This trading this way will never um, make you a profitable one. So now it has created a bearish sentiment, right? Who is bearish here? Seeing this, who is bullish here? Everybody is bullish. What if market could take out the liquidity and just ramp up to target these equal highs? Who knows? We don't even know. So it's very tricky to understand the market. So if you are coming in front of the chart, you need to understand what market is trying to create a sentiment. It took me literally 4 years to understand what exactly is market sentiment. I've heard some people talking about the sentiments, and what is the sentiment? See, sentiment is nothing but obvious things. If it is showing something to everyone, so obvious, and 90% of the times it doesn't work. So I'm sorry if I'm ranting or anything, guys. I hope this helps you. This is a way to distract you. This is my idea to distract you so that tilt your perspective so that you could find a better edge. See, a lot of us are struggling to be profitable, and it's not very far. Also, a lot of people just need some tweaks and here and there some patch ups. That's it. They don't need much, and tuning those, or fixing those small changes will make them a better trader. But there is no one who could actually guide them on how to be you know profitable. So that is why they are lacking the discipline, they're lacking the self control. I don't think discipline comes from you, it comes from the system that you trade, and this system should teach you the how to be disciplined. So this is it for now, guys. I hope if I'm eating up your time. I don't even know who will watch this video or not to this extent. So I'll just end up here, guys. Please give me your valuable feedback if you like this video or dislike this video. I'm okay with anything. So I know a lot of people, we are not into such boring, bland things. We want something to be so flashy on the screen, right? Only then we will be glued to the screens until the end, so that we will be curious on knowing what the other guy is saying on the screen. So that's okay. I don't even know whether the people will see this video till the end or not. So it's okay, guys. I want to put it out. So I just kept it out. So that's it for my side, guys. So stay tuned for more such content on this channel. So see you on the next one, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.